Got trouble sleeping? Have one of these babies. You'll be knocked out like you took a bottle of morphine. Bologna is named after the northeastern region of Italy. It's Bologna, Italy, by way. The world processes 350 million tons of meat per year. Not all this is Wagyu beef. What the hell is bologna? You cut it on the edges to keep it from curling. Turkey waddle, turkey snood, hog scrote, rooster taint, chicken larynx, chicken shell gland. 26 billion chickens are living on this planet. They got us beat 3-1. Man, you're full of baloney. Get out of here. Rooster crank. And we add more for closeted vegans and vegetarians. This is very similar to a Reuben sandwich. This is not exactly heart-healthy eating.
You the man!